Hello my friend, today I want to show you how to use Vim in Intellij. So why you should use Vim? It's highly customizable. You can custom the things you like. You will have the illusions that you have all the controls. Second, it can improve your coding flow. You won't need your hands to leave the keyboard. Now, let me show you with some examples. So first, Vim motion. If you want to move your cursor around, you will need Vim motion. Like if you want to jump to next line, you give J, and if you want to jump back to upper line, you will give K, and if you want to jump to next word, you will need W, or you will need E. That means jump to the end of the word, and B, jump back. So if you want to jump to the end of this line, you need $, and if you want to go to the beginning of this line, you give 0, and if you want to go to the beginning of this sentence, you give underscore, and if you want to go to the end of this whole document, you will give capital G, and if you want to go to the beginning of this file, GG, and so yeah. Another thing is L. L means one character right, and H means one character left. So that's about the Vim motion. Next one, mark. With mark, you can save some lines, and you can go somewhere else. Later, you can jump back. For instance, I want to mark this line, you give M, and you want to save this in register A, and you go somewhere else, and you want to jump back to the marked place, you use astrophet and A, so you go back. There's marks, and you can see A is at this line is marked, and if you want to delete the mark A, you just give this command del marks A, so A is deleted. Next one, split. You will give Control W, V to split the screen, and V means vertically. And if you want jump to the left, Control W H, you jump left, and if you want jump to the right window, Control W L, you jump to the right window, and with GG you close it. So this is split, and you can split horizontally as well, and Control WK, you jump up, and Control WJ, you jump to the down, and GG you close it. Next, edit. So what was done was on the normal mode, and if you want to change something, you need to get into editing mode. If you want to get into editing mode, you can use this command I. I means insert before this cursor, and then now you are in editing mode. You can write something, and if you want to get back to normal mode, you can click ESC, and another command is A. A means insert after the cursor, so like this. And you can also with capital A, that means insert at the end of this line here, or you can with capital I, that means you insert at the beginning of this line. So this insert, and if you want to delete something, you can use the command dw like this, or diw. So dw means delete this word and the space after this word. Diw means delete inward. It only deletes the word without deleting the space after that. So if you want to delete 2 words or 3 words, you can with 3dw. And if you delete 3 words, if you want to delete the whole line, you give dd. So you delete the whole line. And with u means undo. You can undo the change. And yeah, and if you want to repeat one operation, you can use period. Like, do it again, do it again, do it again. So that's command U, and the next one is copy paste. For copying something, the command is Y. Like if you want copy a word, you can use YW, and P, you paste that word, P, or you can use YIW, that means copy in word. If you paste it, you see only the word is copied. But if you use YW, and you will see the space is also copied. This copy paste, and you can copy the thing in different registers. Without giving a register, the default one will be used. But if you want to use a specific one, you can use this command, quotation mark followed by register name, for instance 2, and you copy something, and you can use another one, register 3, and copy a word. So you can use register 2 and paste, and use register 3 and paste, and this is the default ones used, and you can check the registers with this reg command. So here this is the default one, no named register, and this is the register 2, and this is the register 3. So next one is surround, Vim surroundings. With Vim you can do some surrounding works like this. I want to put braces surround this word here. I can use this command cs word braces, or I can change it like c surrounding bracket with this, or I can change surround this with bracket, or I can delete surround this here, and delete surround this here. So I also can use the surrounding in visual mode, like select something and capital S. I want like for instance this curly braces, yes, and that's about the surroundings. Next one, I want to show you the tag. Now tag, there are some functionalities of Vim you can use to work on tag easily. So let me show you. For instance, if you want delete the word in tag, you can use dnt. So you delete this value in tag. If you want change the value in tag, cit. Yeah, write something. And if you want deleted the surrounding tag, you can use dst. So you delete the tag. And if you want like add some tags around something, you can use visual mode and s command and give some tag. So voila, there is it. There's about the surround, there's about the tag. Next one, macro. In Vim you can record something and replay it later. So it's easily done, like with command Q, and you need some register like B, and if you see here, it says recording to register B, and I want copy this line and paste this line and then jump to the end of this word, increase it and increase it value, and that's all what I want. Put in the end of this recording with kill again. So now if I want to replay these actions, I can use this command at b, so it replay this again. If I want to replay it like 10 times, I give 10 and add b. It replay it 10 times, and I want to delete the thing before like 10 times. I can give 10 dk and again. So there's about the macro. Actually you can see the register in the register B with reg command, and you can see this is the register B is YY means copy the line and paste and jumped to the end of the word, jumped again, and Control A means increase the number and jump to the end, increase A. That's what I have record, and you can also directly put this in some register and run this macro. Next one, plugins. Plugins. To use Vim, you need two plugins. So if you input Vim, this Vim plugin and this switch key. After installation, those two plugins, you can use Vim, and you can switch Vim on or off with this. After configuration of plugins, you can use advanced features like this, and you see this is my configuration. B means buffer, like B, so B means back in history, and BD means close it. If I give a D, so I close it, and if I give comma and B and B and go back to in history, and I give B L means go to the right window, and B H go to the left one, and now I show you how to configure Vim plugins. If you open this, you click this one here and open this file, There's some config set surround the node tree, which key, something like that. You can find all these configurations in GitHub repository of the plugins. And this is the which key configuration. There's no functionality here. It only shows the key bindings just for if you can't remember all the key bindings. So this is the text. You can write whatever you want. And this one has the functionality here. Like a BW means save document, and the BD close content. So this is the format of the command, and this is the command. Now how can you know which command? So you can you input a double shift and give this for the trees, and you see this one, IDE check action IDs. Sorry, it's not trace, it's check. If you click it on, and you see this command it will show here, and if you can do something in Intellij, like whatever code, generate something, and you see this is the action ID. You can copy it and use it here in this file. So this is the action ID. After you change something, you need click this to source this file, or in my case I bind this action with this command G. So this is the key binding. This is the end. Bye.